What's up, online shoppers? I've got a solution for dark driveways and dark areas where you have to back up. This is the AUXITO LED bulb for backup lights. And let me tell you the difference it makes in your reverse lights on your vehicle. It is incredible. Most vehicles have standard issue factory backup lights and they aren't very bright. But if you have to back up a long dark driveway, it's definitely going to be a challenge for you. And these solve the problem. I put these in my vehicle and I thought that it wasn't going to make a big difference, but I have to tell you, the difference is incredible. These throw so much light, it almost feels like daylight, and that is pretty awesome. These are actually 300% brighter than the factory issued bulbs that you would have in your car. They are also CANBUS error-free, which means that they are going to install really easily and they are going to be compatible with the specifications of your car. As well, they are both energy saving and low temperature. So these are going to be a great solution to put in your car if you want to have ultra bright backup lights for dark situations. If you are looking for a way around backing up in dark places that have very poor lighting, these AUXITO LED backup lights are fantastic. Easy to install, literally just pop the old light out, pop this one in, and there you have it. Definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.